Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two fantastic products, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker and the Aeitto Ice Maker. If you're in the market for an ice maker, you might be wondering which one is the best choice for your home or office. We'll dive into their features, production capabilities, and overall performance to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker produces chewable nugget ice, often referred to as Aeitto Sonic Ice, which is highly sought after for its texture and ability to keep drinks cold without diluting them quickly. In contrast, the Aeitto Ice Maker produces traditional bullet ice, which is versatile but may not have the same chewable quality that many users love. If you prefer nugget ice for your beverages, the Kismile is the clear winner here. When it comes to daily production capacity, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker stands out with an impressive output of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Aeitto Ice Maker produces 26 pounds of ice daily, which is sufficient for casual use, but may fall short during bigger events. If you need a high-capacity machine, the Kismile is the better choice. The Aeitto Ice Maker boasts a remarkable speed, releasing the first batch of 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it perfect for those who need ice quickly. Meanwhile, the Kismile focuses on sustained production rather than speed, so while it produces more ice overall, it does not match the rapid output of the Aeitto. If speed is your priority, the Aeitto is the way to go. In conclusion, both the Kismile Nugget and Aeitto Ice Makers have their unique strengths. The Kismile is perfect for those who prioritize chewable nugget ice and high production capacity, while the Aeitto excels in speed and compact design. Depending on your needs, one of these machines will surely enhance your ice-making experience. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.